ॐ यदविद्याविलासेन भूतभौतिकसृष्टयः तन्नौमि परमात्मानं सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहं शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। इन वेदांत परिभाषा we are seeing on page number 33. So the last discussion we saw was Siddhanti. In Moolam, the topic that is going on is Siddhanti is not accepting Jati. Siddhanti is not accepting Samavaya. Purvapakshi said this Samavaya is Nitya. Nityatva Samavayatva Ghatita Jatitvasya. Siddhanti says Ghatadau Asiddhesha. So the discussion was like this. Samavaya and Sanyoga Sambandha. Siddhanti says, what is the difference between Samavaya and Sanyoga? If for Ghata, Pata, Sanyoga, you remember this? Ghata, Pata, Sanyoga. Between Ghata and Sanyoga, you need Samavaya. Between Sanyoga and Pata, you need Samavaya. Between Ghata and Samavaya, you need another Samavaya, and that way there will be Anavastha. So this we saw. Na adyas tasya anyas tasyapi anyah sambandha kalpya iti anavastha prasangat. This anavastha dosha will be there. And Purvapakshi said that no, Sanyoga requires Samavaya, but Samavaya doesn't require another Sambandha. Siddhanti says, why not? Purvapakshi says, because Sanyoga is Guna. Guna is different and therefore it requires a Samavaya. Because Sanyoga will be between Dravya and another Dravya. Between two Dravyas, you will need Sanyoga Sambandha. So for that Sanyoga Sambandha, which is different from Dravya, it is a Guna. Therefore, you need a Samavaya. Siddhanti says for Samavaya also it is something similar. Between Dravya and Guna, you say there is Samavaya. Samavaya is also Bhinna Padartha, like Dravya, Guna, Karma, Samanya, Vishesha, Samavaya. So Samavaya is different Padartha. So for Dravya Sanyoga, Dravya Sanyoga Sambandha, you need Samavaya. Then for Dravya Samavaya Sambandha also, you will need Samavaya. So this we saw. गुण इन टीका गुण परिभाषायाः अतंत्रत्वात् अपेक्षाकरणस्य च तुल्यत्वात् अप टू दैट न द्वितीयः. द्वितीय विकल्प इज व्हाट?
असंबद्ध.
हाँ, असंबद्धः. That समवाय समवायिभ्याम संबद्ध समवायो विशिष्ट प्रत्यय नियामकः उत असंबद्धः. सो समवायिभ्याम असंबद्धः समवायः. He says there is अति प्रसंग. अति प्रसंग, you see number 1 टिप्पणी. द्वितीयः पक्षः उत असंबद्ध इति. असंबद्धेन चेत् समवायेन रूपी घट इति प्रत्ययः तदा असंबद्धत्व अविशेषात् असंबद्धेन पटेन अपि रूपी घट इति प्रत्यय प्रसंगः. If that समवाय is असंबद्धः, असंबद्धेन समवायेन समान अधिकरण, असंबद्धेन समवायेन चेत रूपी घटः. Between घट and घट रूप there is समवाय संबंध. Between असंबद्ध वस्तु, if there is a samvaya, asambaddhena samvaya means that samvaya is not associated with ghata. Yet if you get the pratyaya rupi ghataha iti pratyaya, tada Siddhanti says asambaddhatva avisheshat. If there is no sambandha, then why you should have rupi ghataha pratyaya asambaddhena patena api rupi ghataha iti pratyaya prasangaha. Rupi ghataha means if samvaya is not associated between ghata and rupa, samvaya different from ghata and rupa, and still if you get rupavan ghata pratyaya, you don't need samvaya, you have pata. Pata also can give you rupi ghata pratyaya. Why you need samvaya? So any other thing also can create this pratyaya. This is ati prasanga. Ati prasanga means then there is no limitation. Any unconnected vastu can create a pratyaya about rupi ghata. This is one thought. Further, kincha sa aneka ekova sah samavaya. That samavaya is eka or aneka. If you say it is aneka, then adye apasiddhantah, because your siddhanta is according to Nyaya, there is ekah samavaya. But if you accept this, then there will be aneka samvaya. So aneka samvaya is apasiddhanta, swasiddhanta hani. Because they say samvayastu eka visheshastu anantaha. You remember in Tarka Sangraha? Visheshastu anantaha. And samvayastu eka. So there is apasiddhanta. And gaurava dosha also. Gauravam cha, because if you can manage with eka samvaya, then you don't need aneka. Or if you can manage with few samvaya, then why do you need so many? So if you say aneka, there are two doshas, apasiddhanta and gaurava. If you say ekaha, samvaya is one. Then dvitiye rupa jnanadi samavayasya vayu ghatadi vritti samavaya abhedat रूपवान वायु घटो विलक्षण गतिमान इति प्रतीति प्रसंगात. This is the vikalpa which Nyaya has accepted, that there is ekaha samavaya. They say there is only one samavaya. You imagine different cases first. 3 drashtantas we will take. Either you keep it in your mind, or if you want on a rough paper, you just keep them. Atma has jnanam with samavaya sambandha. Vayu has gati with samavaya sambandha. Gatiman Vayu. ज्ञानवान आत्मा, रूपवान घटः. Okay, so you have रूपवान घटः, गतिमान वायुः, ज्ञानवान आत्मा. And there is only one samvaya sambandha between atma and jnanam, between vayu and gati, between ghata and
रूप.
rupa. Okay. If there is only one samvaya, see this line now. Dvitiye rupa jnanadi samvayasya. Rupa jnana and gati is also, he gives drishtanta further. Vayu ghatadi vritti samvaya abhedat. So vayu as dravya, vayu, ghata and atma also. Vayu, ghata, adi means atma. And the gunas are rupa, jnana and
गति.
gati. Gati means you can take it as vega, right? Vega is what?
Samskara.
Samskara. Samskaras are of three types. What are the three samskaras? Bhavana,
वेग स्थितिस्थापक.
bhavana, vega, sthiti sthapakata. So one example we are taking. If there is only one samvaya, then what will happen? Any samvaya will connect any dravya with any guna. So rupavan vayuhu, ghato vilakshana gatiman, and ghato jnanavan iti pratiti prasangat. This kind of mix-up can happen. One dravya, somebody else's guna. Now you see, Vayu and Rupa. In Vayu, there is no Rupa. So Rupavan Vayu is Bhranti. Similarly, Jnanaman Ghataha is Bhranti. Gatiman Ghataha is Bhranti. So Rupavan Vayuhu, Ghato Vilakshana Gatiman iti pratiti prasangat. न च तत्र रूपादि अभावात न उक्त प्रतीति प्रसंग इति वाच्यम. Rupakshi says in Vayu there is no Rupa, so why such pratiti will happen? Iti nacha vachyam. See tippani number 2. Tatra means Vayau ghate cha. Vayau ghate, Vayau rupam ghate gati jnanam ityadi. Rupa vilakshana gatyadi abhavat. In Tika, tad vrittitva prayojaka, not prayojanaka, prayojaka sambandhe, tad vrittitva prayojaka sambandhe. What is given in Kailash Ashram book?
प्रयोजक स्वामीजी.
Prayojaka sambandhe sati tad abhava vyavaharasya vyahatatvat. Tad vrittitva prayojaka sambandhe sati. Tad vrittitva in tippani Vayau tad vrittitva means Rupa. Third number. Vayau tad vrittitva means Rupa vrittitva. Prayojake sati. Prayojaka Rupa samavaya sambandhe sati. In Vayu, Rupa, if it is there with samavaya sambandha, if that prayojaka is there, pratiti will happen. Rupa samavaya sambandhe sati api rupam nasti. Then you say, no, Vayu rupam nasti. Why? Say, this is my jnanam. But in Vayu, Rupa, pratiti is happening because you have accepted one samavaya, that one samavaya is everywhere. So Rupa samvaya sambandhe sati api rupam nasti iti tad abhava means rupa bhava vyavaharasya vyahatatvat ityartha. Vayo rupa bhava vyavahar will be vyahata. Vyahata means it will be vadato vyaghata if actually you are seeing Rupam in Vayu. And see, Vedanti, we say that there is Mithyatva, etc. They don't say in Vyavaharik Vastu there is Mithyatva. They say Mithyatva is only in Pratibhasika Vastu. So they will not be able to explain this. That is this line, Tad Vrittitva Prayojaka Sambandhe Sati, Tad Abhava Vyavaharasya Vyahatatvat in Tika. So Abhav Vyavahara you cannot do. Iti evam Samavaya Siddhya Pratyakshena Karyatva Brahma Bhinnatva Lingaka Anumanena Sadeva Somya Idamagra Asid iti Shrutya cha Brahma Bhinna Sakala Prapanchasya Anityataya cha Nityatva Samavetatva Ghatita Jatitvasya Ghatattvada Vasiddhescha Ityarthaha. Iti evam, in this way, with the help of three pramanas, Pratyaksha, Anumana and Shruti, Samavaya Asiddhi has happened. So, one. So, Samavaya is Asiddha. Pratyakshena, there is no Pratyaksha Pramana for Samavaya Siddhi. So, Pratyakshena, Samavaya Siddhi is not there. Samavaya Siddhya or Samavaya Asiddhya?
Asiddhya, Swamiji.
Siddhya. This book has some printing errors. Samvaya Asiddhya. Samvaya Asiddhya. Samvaya Asiddhya. Pratyakshena 1. Then Karyatva Brahma Bhinnatva Lingaka Anumanena. Karyatva Anumanam and Brahma Bhinnatva, Karyatva Hetu and Brahma Bhinnatva Hetu. Karyatva Lingam Yasya Anumanasya Tad Anumanam Karyatva Lingakam. Similarly, Brahma Bhinnatva Lingam Yasya Anumanasya Tad Anumanam Brahma Bhinnatva Lingakam. Samavayo Anityah Karyatvat Ghatavat. Yat Karyam Tad Anityam. Samavaya also is Karya. Therefore, Samavaya has Karyatva Hetutvat, Anityatva Siddhi. 1. Second, Brahma Bhinnatva. Samavayo Anityah. Brahma Bhinnatvat Yad Ghatavat Yad Brahma Bhinnam Tat Sarvam Anityam. Vedanti has this. So these two Anumanams. Up to this is clear, everybody? Yes?
Harimu Swamiji, the second Anumana is in Karyatva Brahmapindatva, that Anumana or Brahmapinda Sakala Prapanchasya Nityataya. In which one?
No, that is the explanation for that. Brahma Bhinna Sakala Prapanchasya Anityataya cha. Whatever is Brahma Bhinna, that entire Prapancha is Anitya, like Ghata. So that's why Brahma Bhinna Sakala Prapanchasya Anityataya cha Nityatva Samavetatva Ghatita Jatitvasya Ghatattvadau Asiddhescha ityarthaha. Because according to Vedanti, anything that is different from Brahma is anitya. See that Shruti is given Sadeva Somya idam agra asit iti Shrutya cha. What is the objective of this Shruti?
Karya is not different from Brahma.
Huh? What is that?
Karya is not different from Brahma.
No, this Shruti has some other objective. Somebody else said something.
Sat alone was there.
I can't hear. You have to speak loudly.
Sat alone was there.
Yeah.
Tadeva Soumya.
So,
Brahma Sakala Prapanchasya Anityataya. So everything other than Brahma, if it is there, is Anitya.
how? How does this Shruti tell that?
Because there is nothing other than Brahma. Sat Brahma. Before or after.
Before creation, Brahma alone was there. So everything else that appears, Brahma Bhinna, is Anitya. Before and after, you can say, Adavante cha yannasti vartamane pi tattatha. Therefore, it is not there or it is Anitya. Brahma Bhinna Sakala Prapanchasya Anitya. So, Anumanam is only this. Samavayo Anitya Karyatvat Ghatavat. Samavayo Anitya Brahma Bhinnatvat Ghatavat. And this Shruti is Pramanam that anything that is Brahma Bhinna, it was not there before Srishti. Therefore, it is Karyam. Karyatvad, it is Anitya. So, Samavaya, which is existing and it is Nitya, that is refuted. And then, based on that Samavaya, they have Jati Lakshanam. What is that Lakshanam? Nityatva, Samavetatva, Ghatita, Jatitva. Ghata has a Jati called Ghatatva. What is the Lakshana of that Ghatatva Jati? Nityatve Sati, Sakala Ghata Samavetatvam. This is the Lakshana for Ghatatva Jati, according to them. So, if Nityatva is not Siddha, Samavetatva is not Siddha, then Ghatatva Jati also will not be Siddha. Ityartha. Apramanikatvam Ishtatve Hetuhu. Tatra Pratyakshasya Ghatatvader Jatitve मान भावादि हेतु त्रयम. माना भावादि
Mana abhava is there. Swamiji.
अप्रामाणिकत्वम इष्टत्वे हेतुस्तत्र प्रत्यक्षस्य घटत्वादेर जातित्वे मानाभावादि हेतुत्रयम्. मान अभावादि. अप्रामाणिकत्वम इष्टत्व. If you say the apramanikatva of ghatatva, this is ishta. Ishtatve hetus tatra 4 number tippani. अप्रामाणिकत्वे प्रत्यक्षस्य घटत्वादेर जातित्वे मानाभावादि हेतुत्रयम्. So घटत्वादि जाति, in that मानाभावादि, 5 नंबर टिप्पणी, प्रत्यक्षस्य घटत्व सद्भावे प्रमाणत्वं न तस्य जातित्वे इति एको हेतु. प्रत्यक्ष प्रमाण does not say there is घटत्व जाति. प्रत्यक्ष प्रमाण says there is घट. घट सत्वे प्रत्यक्षम प्रमाणम, न घटत्व जातौ. सी प्रत्यक्षस्य घटत्व सद्भावे प्रमाणत्वम. प्रत्यक्ष says there is घटत्व because it looks like घट. पृथु बुधनोद आकार. घटत्व सद्भावे प्रमाणत्व न तस्य जातित्वे. It is not a jati. प्रत्यक्ष प्रमाण doesn't prove घटत्व जाति is there. This is हेतु number 1. Then जाति स्वरूप साध्य अप्रसिद्ध्या अनुमानस्य अनवकाश इति द्वितीयो हेतु. That जाति स्वरूप साध्या प्रसिद्ध्या अनुमानस्य अनवकाश. जाति स्वरूप, if you say there is घटत्व जाति and you say I want to prove this through anumanam. घटौ घटत्व जाति. In this way, if you do anumanam, Siddhanti says घटत्व जाति swarupa siddhi is that sadhya is aprasiddha. Sadhya aprasiddhya. So if you do such anumanam, parvato vanniman, that vanni should be prasiddha elsewhere. Then it can become your sadhya. If the sadhya itself is aprasiddha, anumanasya anavakasha. Anumana has no avakasha. So jati swarupa cannot be your sadhya because that sadhya is aprasiddha yet. In other words, whatever is my sadhya, that should be siddha somewhere else, either through pratyaksha pramana or through another anumana pramana. In that anumanam, whatever I have done, there also it should be siddha. It should be a siddha vastu elsewhere. Like mahana se vanni is siddha. Yajñashalayam vanni is siddha. Parvate it is asiddha. Third hetu, जाति लक्षण घटित नित्यत्व समवेतत्वादि असिद्ध्यापि जातित्व असिद्धि इति तृतीयो हेतु. जाति लक्षण घटित तत्वादि, जाति लक्षण है नित्यत्व एंड समवेतत्व, दे आर दी घटक. सो जाति लक्षण घटित नित्यत्व समवेतत्वादि असिद्ध्यापि, even there asiddhi is there of nityatva and samavetatva, therefore jatitva siddhi is also not there. Iti tritiyo hetu. So with these three hetu, jatitva is refuted. In jati there is no pratyaksha pramanam. In jati you cannot do anumanam with jati as sadhya because it is aprasiddha lakshana, like nityatva, samavetatva or jati which is nitya. No such thing is there because everything other than Brahma is anitya. And therefore, see tika now. अप्रामाणिकत्वम इष्टत्वे हेतुः तत्र प्रत्यक्षस्य घटत्वादेर जातित्वे मानाभावादि हेतुत्रयम्. घटत्वादि is a jati. In that pratyakshadi, Siddhanti says there is no pramanam, mana abhavad. So your hetus are apramanika. ननु उपाधित्व परिभाषाया प्रतिज्ञाय कथम जातित्व परिभाषाया एवं तत्वे हेतुपन्यास इति आशंक्य. पूर्व पक्षी or some other Ekadeshi says, you said jati and upadhi, they are both apramanika, and you have defined only jati as apramanika, but you have not defined upadhi as apramanika. Siddhanti says, my next sentence is going to be उपाधि also is अप्रामाणिक. See, ननु उपाधित्व परिभाषायाः अपि अप्रामाणिकत्वं प्रतिज्ञाय. Your pratignya said upadhitva is also अप्रामाणिकम. उपाधित्व परिभाषायाः अपि अप्रामाणिकत्वं. This you had said. Api means उपाधित्व परिभाषाया अपि अप्रामाणिकत्वं. जातित्व अप्रामाणिकत्वं. जातित्व परिभाषायाः अप्रामाणिकत्वं. उपाधित्व परिभाषायाः अपि अप्रामाणिकत्वं. प्रतिज्ञा was done for both. कथम जातित्व परिभाषाया एव तत्वे हेतुपन्यास. Then why only in jatitva paribhasha you said this apramanikattva hetu etc. and 3 hetus you gave. तत्वे 6 नंबर टिप्पणी. जातित्व परिभाषाया एव तत्वे मीन्स अप्रामाणिकत्वे. तत् मीन्स अप्रामाणिकत्वं. तत्वे अप्रामाणिकत्वे. हेतु उपन्यासः कथम, why only for जातित्व परिभाषा अप्रामाणिकत्व इति आशंक्य उक्त हेतुभिः एव तस्याः अपि अप्रामाणिकत्व साधनस्य सुवचत्वात् इति आशयेन अतिदिशति. उक्त हेतुभिः, by these 3 hetus, बहुवचनम is there, so 3, all the 3 hetus, तस्याः अपि अप्रामाणिकत्व साधनस्य सुवचत्वात्. तस्याः उपाध्याः. उपाधि षष्ठी will be what?
उपाधित्व परिभाषायाः.
उपाधि तस्याः is which vibhakti?
षष्ठी.
उपाधि षष्ठी will be
उपाधेः.
उपाधेः. उपाधि is पुल्लिंग शब्द, not स्त्रीलिंग शब्द. Paribhasha if you take, then strilinga. If you say only upadhi, then upadehe. If you say paribhasha, then upadhi paribhashayaha api apramanikattva sadhanasya suvachatvat iti ashayena atidishati. Atidesha, whatever siddhanta you have seen in jatitva asiddhi, same you apply for upadhi. उपाधित्व परिभाषा सिद्धि. एवं, now in the मूलम, this एवं एव उपाधित्वम अपि निरसनीयम. This is there on 31. एवं एव उपाधित्वम अपि निरसनीयम. In the same way, upadhitva also should be refuted. So this portion is complete. सीटीका. तथा च नील घटत्वादेर उपाधित्व परिभाषा न प्रामाणिकी. नीलोयम घट इत्यादि प्रत्यक्षस्य नील घटत्व सद्भावे मानतया तस्य उपाधित्वे अमानत्वात्. नील घटत्वादेः उपाधित्व परिभाषा न प्रामाणिकी. नील घटत्व has upadhi, upadhitva paribhasha is not pramaniki. नीलोऽयं घट इत्यादि प्रत्यक्षस्य नीलघटत्व सद्भावे मानतया तस्य उपाधित्वे अमानत्वात्. प्रत्यक्ष प्रमाण इज फॉर नीलघटत्व सद्भाव. नीलो घट अस्ति, बट नीलघटत्व इज उपाधि. In that pratyaksha is not pramanam. See, so tasya upadhitve mana bhavat. One. Second, उपाधित्व रूप साध्य अप्रसिद्धौ तत्साधकस्य उपाधि ही धर्मत्व is अप्रसिद्ध. If sadhya is अप्रसिद्ध and do that sadhya siddhi. प्रसिद्धौ तत् साधकस्य नीलघटत्वादिकम् उपाधिः भिन्न सामान्य धर्मत्वात्. He has given अनुमानम. नीलघटत्वादिकम् उपाधिः भिन्न सामान्य धर्मत्वात् हेतु आकाशत्वादिवत् इति अनुमानस्य अनवकाशात्. What is the sadhya in this anumanam? What is the paksha?
Upadhitva Rupa Sadhanka is the paksha, and Nilakhatattvadi Kam Upadhi is the satya, and then
No.
Jadi Pinna
No. नीलघटत्वादिकम is paksha. Upadhi is sadhya. Sadhya is only this much. Upadhi. Nilaghatatva, it can be a dharma. Ghata has Nilaghatatva dharma. That we don't deny. Nilaghatatva is upadhi or ghatatva is jati. This is where we have virodha. Sadhya is only upadhi. Upadhit, see, he said in the beginning of that sentence, upadhitva rupa sadhya aprasiddha. What is the sadhya? Upadhitva. उपाधित्व रूप साध्य अप्रसिद्धौ तत्साधकस्य नीलघटत्वादिकम उपाधि ही जाति भिन्न सामान्य धर्मत्वात्. दिस इज द हेतु. He says it is a सामान्य धर्म which is जाति भिन्न, therefore it is उपाधि. जाति भिन्न सामान्य धर्म need not be उपाधि, it can be सामान्य धर्म. जाति भिन्न सामान्य धर्मत्वात् आकाशत्वादिवत्. आकाशत्व Shatva is not upadhi. It is asiddha. Therefore, akashatvadivad, akashatva is dharma. Akashatvadivad iti anumanasya anavakashat. Samavayadi asiddhya upadhitva asiddhescha iti evam nirasaniyam ityarthaha. And samvaya is asiddha, upadhitva is also asiddha. In this way, upadhitva nirasa is done, nirasaniyam. Further now, nanu evamapi ekasyaiva chaitanyasya परोक्षत्व अपरोक्षत्वात्म विरुद्ध धर्म क्रांतत्वम विरुद्धम इति आशंका. Purvapakshi says still that you were combining parokshatva and aparokshatva. in Chaitanya, this is Viruddha. Because you said Parvato Vanniman, in that Parvata Amshe there is Aparokshatva. Vanni Amshe there is Parokshatvam. And there is one Jnanam Parvato Vanniman. So how in one Amsha there is Aparokshatva, another Amsha Parokshatva, this Chaitanya se Parokshatva, Aparokshatva, Aparokshatvatma, Aparokshatva, Aparokshatvatma Viruddha Dharma Krantatvam. This Viruddha Dharma Akrantatvam of Chaitanya is Viruddham. Iti Ashankyaha. Parvato Vanniman in Moolam. Parvato Vanniman. इत्यादौ च पर्वतांशे वन्यंशे च अंतःकरण वृत्ति भेदांगीकारेण तत्तद्वृत्ति अवच्छेदक भेदेन परोक्षत्वापरोक्षत्वयोर एकत्र चैतन्य वृत्तौ न विरोधः. In Parvato Vanniman, in this Parvatamshe Vanyamshe cha Antakarana Vritti Bhed Angikarana. There are two Antakarana Vrittis. Is it true or not?
Yes, Swamiji.
Parvatamshe Antakarana Vritti is
Aparoksha.
Avachinna.
Aparoksha. Aparoksha. And Vanyamshe Antakarana Vritti is
Paroksha.
But when you say Aparoksha and Paroksha means because Parvata Amsha is known through Pratyaksha Pramana. Vanni Amsha is known through Anumana Pramana. This you keep in mind because we are going to see this in Tika. Parokshatva Aparokshatvayor ekatra chaitanye vrittau na virodha. See Tika. Chaitanye Pramatmaka Chaitanye. In the Prama, Parvato Vanniman, it has two amshas and they are two of different dharma, Parokshatva, Aparokshatva. Evam sati idam phalitam ityaha. And therefore, this is the phalam. Tathacha in Moolam. Tathacha. Tattad indriya yogya vartamana vishaya avachinna chaitanya bhinnatvam. Tattad akar vritti avachinna jnanasya. Tattad amshe pratyakshatvam. There is no virodha. Why there is no virodha? See in Tika. Tattad vritti avachinna chaitanyasya tattad indriya yogya vartamana vishaya avachinna chaitanya bhinnatvam. In 1 number Tippani, they have explained this. First, let us see that Tippani. We will not have time for entire Tippani. Just understand what is in Tika right now. Tippani we will see tomorrow. For Ghata Jnanam is Chakshur Indriya Pratyaksha. It is Indriya Pratyaksha, 1. It is Yogya, 2. It is Vartamana Vishaya, 3. So all three conditions are there. Dharma is Pratyaksha, no. Yogya, no. So it is not Indriya Pratyaksha Yogya. And Smriti, the Vartamanatvam is not there. It is not, if I remember, of Yudhishthira. He is not Vartamana. So tattad vritti avachinna chaitanyasya tattad indriya yogya vartamana vishaya avachinna chaitanya abhinnatvam. Antakarana vritti avachinna chaitanya from antakarana will go to Vishaya Desha. When it goes to Vishaya Desha, Ghata avachinna chaitanya and antakarana vritti avachinna chaitanya become one. They become one only in that case where the Vishaya is Indriya Yogya and Vartamana. Then tasmin jnanamshe pratyakshatva prayojakam. In tasmin jnana means ghata jnana, pata jnana, parvata jnana ityadi. They become pratyakshatva prayojakam. What will become pratyaksha prayojakam? Chaitanya abhinnatvam. That Chaitanya of antakarana vritti avachinna Chaitanya and Vishaya avachinna Chaitanya becoming one. This is the pratyakshatva prayojakam. Iti ज्ञानगतस्य प्रत्यक्षत्वस्य प्रमाण चैतन्यस्य विषयावच्छिन्न चैतन्य अभिन्नत्वं ज्ञानगत प्रत्यक्षत्वस्य प्रमाण चैतन्यस्य and विषयावच्छिन्न चैतन्य अभिन्नत्वं. So pratyksha pramana avachina chaitanya, vishayavachina chaitanya become one. Iti ukta prayojakena vivakshitam ityartha. This is the intended meaning of this prayojaka. So tattadamshe pratyakshatvam. But one number tippani we will see in the next session. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Krutau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.